So in this problem, we're looking at graphing two exponential functions, looking for a pattern of what uh, subtracting or adding to the variable that is the exponent does to the graph. So we're given f of x equals 2 to the x, an exponential function, and g of x equals 2 to the x minus 1. So we're subtracting 1 from the variable. Made this graph or this chart here similar to the previous problems, only we have both f of x and g of x. The actual work would have left this a little busy. So if you need to do the work, great, do it to the outside. I'll show you what I mean by that here off to the side. The same thing that we've done in the past. So when x equals -2, f of x, or f, I'll do it down here, f of -2 equals 2 to the -2, which equals 1/4. So f of x equals 1/4. F of x would be -2 1/4. And now with g of x, we have 2 to the x minus 1. So it'd be 2 to the -2 minus 1, which is 2 to the -3, which is going to be 1/8. And again, if you need to work those out, just do it separately from your table or include it in your table and just make your table bigger. I couldn't do that here, unfortunately. So g of -2 equals 2 to the -2 minus 1, which equals 2 to the -3, which equals 1 over 2 to the 3, which equals 1/8. So then our g of x, our point, is going to be -2 1/8. Performing the same process with x equals -1, 0, 1, and 2, we get f of -1 is going to be -1, 2 to the -1 for x equals -1, so that's going to be 1/2. At 0, it's 2 to the 0, which is just 1. At 1, it's going to be 2 to the 1, which is just 2. And at 2, it's going to be 2 to the 2, which is 4. That's going to give us the points -1, 1/2, 0, 1, 1, 2, and 2, 4. So we'll go ahead and graph f of x by plotting these points. So at -2, it's 1/4. At -1, it's 1/2. At 0, it's 1. At 1,